Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use other sound and vibration setting on Vivo mobile. Friends, we want to use other sound and vibration setting on Vivo mobile. So how to use today friends, I will show you one by one and step by step guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use other sound and vibration. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo mobile. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting guys. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see guys vibrate for call setting, vibrate for notification, do not disturb setting. Friends, you want to on do not disturb, so you can on do not disturb from here, you can off from here. So friends, you can see phone ringtone. Friends, you want to change ringtone, so you can change ringtone from here. Friends, now scroll. Friends, you can see other sound and vibration settings. So first is dial pad tone. So what is dial pad tone and how to use it? First of all friends, on your dial pad and friends on your phone call setting friends. So guys, when you will enter number here friends, you can use this dial pad sound. So we call it dial pad tone sound. So guys, now we will off it. Friends, you don't want to use off. After friends, again friends, you can enter a number guys without any sound on your Vivo mobile. Second option friends is screen locking sound. So when you will on, so when you will lock your Vivo phone screen, and friends when you will unlock your screen, you can use friends your screen lock and unlock sound from here. You don't want to use, you can. Then this is phone charging sound friends, when you will on your phone. Okay, when you will charge your phone, so you can use your phone charging sound. Then touch sound. After touch sound friends, when you will click your phone button, and guys when you will click any icon on your device, so you can use this touch sound. So guys, we call it touch sound. So like that friends, you can use touch sound. So guys, now we will off touch sound from other sound vibration setting. Screen capture tool means guys screenshot sound. After guys screenshot sound guys, when you will take a screenshot, you can use your screenshot sound. And friends, you want to take a screenshot without any sound on your Vivo phone, so friends you can off. After offense, you can take a screenshot without any sound on your Vivo mobile. Friends, you can see touch a vibration. Friends, when you will on, so guys when you will click your phone button, so guys your Vivo phone will vibrate. And friends, you don't want to touch a vibration, so friends click on again sound vibration, and guys off your touch vibration from here. So like that friends, you can use your other sound and vibration setting: dial pad tone, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound, screenshot sound, and touch vibration sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt on your Vivo phone settings, sound vibration setting, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.